Hello students, welcome to the fifth lecture on the topic biomolecules. In this topic, in this video, we are going to study structure of fructose. In last video, we saw structure of glucose. So you know that fructose has the molecular formula C6H12O6. I write the heading structure of fructose. Molecular formula of fructose is C6H12O6. That means in fructose 6 carbon atoms are present, 12 hydrogen atoms are present and 6 oxygen atoms are present. Molecular formula of glucose and fructose is same. Fructose is made by isomerization of glucose. Glucose and fructose are functional isomers. Glucose contains aldehyde group whereas fructose contains ketonic group. Glucose is monosaccharide of aldohexose type whereas fructose is monosaccharide of ketohexose type. So fructose is levorotatory. That means it rotates the plane polarized light in anti-clockwise direction. Its optical rotation is alpha is equal to minus 92.4 degree. Therefore, fructose is also known as levulose. First, we are going to study open chain structure of fructose. Look here, there are 6 carbon atoms, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 carbon atoms are in straight chain. There is ketonic group at carbon number 2. This is number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. First carbon is in the form of primary alcoholic group, CH2OH group, primary alcohol. Similarly, 6th carbon is also in the form of primary alcoholic group. At 3rd carbon, here is OH, H. At 4th carbon, hydrogen and OH. At 5th carbon, hydrogen and OH. So this is the open chain structure of fructose. The 6 carbon atoms are in a straight chain. At 2nd carbon, there is ketonic group. It is monosaccharide of ketohexose type. Primary alcoholic group is present at 1st carbon and at 6th carbon. At 6th carbon, it rotates the plane polarized light in anti-clockwise direction. Therefore, it is levorotatory and it is known as levulose. If it is clear, then I am going to explain the cyclic structure of fructose. So try to understand. Here I write CH2OH group, primary alcoholic group. Here C double bond O group, straight chain, 3rd carbon fourth carbon, fifth carbon, and here is CH2OH group. This fructose I am going to represent by Fischer projection. At third carbon, here is OH, H, H, OH, H, OH. So this is the Fischer projection structure for for fructose. This is number 1, second carbon, third, fourth, fifth and sixth carbon. So this formula represents Fischer projection for fructose molecule. I remove this. Now you see, the OH group from fifth carbon adds to carbonyl group of second carbon. The OH group from fifth carbon adds across this oxygen atom, carbonyl group, across this carbonyl group, and we get a ring structure. Intramolecular nucleophilic addition reaction takes place. It was assumed that the OH group from fifth carbon is added to this carbonyl group. Before that, I write the name D. D means the OH group at the lowest chirality center. This is the lowest chirality center or bottom asymmetric carbon atom. This is asymmetric carbon atom. So the OH group is on right hand side. Therefore, capital D designation indicates that it has D configuration. This D represents the configuration at the lowest chirality center. It is present on right hand side, therefore I wrote D. It is levorotatory, therefore I write minus, and its name is fructose. This is fructose. Now try to understand how the cyclic structure is produced. Here I write equilibrium sign. This is a straight chain. Here is first carbon, CH2 OH. First carbon, this is second carbon, hydrogen is added here, therefore it is converted to OH group. This is third carbon, fourth, fifth and sixth I write as it is, CH2OH. समजते का बघा, फिफ्थ पोझिशनचा जो OH ग्रुप आहे त्याचे ॲडिशन या कार्बोनिल ग्रुपवरती होते. द OH ग्रुप इज ॲडेड टू दिस कार्बोनिल ग्रुप. त्यामुळं या ओचं OH झालं आणि अशी रिंग तयार झाली. The ring is produced. This is second carbon, third, fourth, fifth. Third carbon as it is मी लिहितो OH, H, इथं H, OH. फिफ्थचा हायड्रोजन आहे तसा मी लिहिला. हा जो कार्बन आहे याला ॲनॉमेरिक कार्बन असं म्हणतात. ॲनॉमेरिक कार्बन. आणि ॲनॉमेरिक कार्बनचा OH जर राईटला असेल तर त्याला अल्फा ॲनॉमर असं म्हणतात, अल्फा ॲनॉमर. तर इथं याला अल्फा म्हटलं. त्यानंतर डी म्हणजे लोवेस्ट कायरॅलिटी सेंटरचा OH राईटला आहे. निगेटिव्ह म्हणजे लिओ रोटेटरी आणि याला फ्रुक्टो फ्युरानोज असं म्हणतात. इट इज कॉल्ड फ्रुक्टो फ्युरानोज इन ॲनॉलॉजी विथ फ्युरान. इन ॲनॉलॉजी with furan. This is heterocyclic compound. You know this. This compound is furan. 5-membered ring and there is heteroatom oxygen present in the ring. In analogy with furan, it is called furanose structure. The ring is present, 5-membered ring, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5-membered ring is present, that is called furanose structure. This open chain structure and this ring structure are in equilibrium. I represent beta structure. Try to understand how to represent beta structure. It is very simple. 1, 2, 3, 4. At bottom here is primary alcoholic group. I write as it is. हे स्ट्रक्चर लिहित असताना एवढंच चेंज करायचं आहे, हा OH लेफ्टला लिहायचा आहे, हा CH2OH राईटला लिहायचा आहे. असं लिहितो मी OH CH2OH. आणि ही जी रिंग आहे ही रिंग अशी दाखवतो मी. दिस इज रिंग स्ट्रक्चर. The remaining thing as it is. Here is OH, hydrogen as it is, H, OH as it is, hydrogen as it is. So this is another furanose structure of fructose. It is known as beta D minus fructofuranose. Give the numbers. This is number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 carbon. This second carbon is called anomeric carbon. They differ in the configuration. In alpha anomer, OH group is present in this box. In beta anomer, OH group is present outside the box. You remember like this. If it is present inside the box, it is alpha anomer. If it is outside the box, it is beta anomer. So try to understand each and every point carefully. Alpha is called when OH is in the box. Beta is called when OH is outside the box. Again, D is called when the OH group at the lowest chirality center is on right hand side. Capital L is called when OH group at the lowest chirality center points to the left. This negative sign indicates it is leo rotatory. it is known as LEO rotation. It is known as LEO rotation. If it is clear, then I represent Haworth projection formula. Now I am going to explain how to write Haworth projection formula for fructose. It is very simple. This is heteroatom oxygen. Structure of furan. Here is furan. I represent bond 1, 2, 3, 4. The groups which are present on the left hand side in Fisher projection formula are written upwards in Haworth formula. In Haworth formula. हे पहा फिशर प्रोजेक्शन फॉर्म्युल्यामध्ये जे ग्रुप लेफ्ट हँड साईडला आहेत, जे ग्रुप लेफ्ट हँड साईडला आहेत ते अपवर्डला लिहायचे, जे ग्रुप राईट हँड साईडला आहेत ते डाऊनवर्डला लिहायचे, तर हा CH2OH अपवर्डला आहे म्हणून इथं मी CH2OH असं लिहितो. हा नंबर 1, हा नंबर 2 चा कार्बन, थर्ड कार्बन, फोर्थ कार्बन, फिफ्थ कार्बन. हा सेकंडचा OH लेफ्टला आहे म्हणून अपवर्डला लिहायचं OH. हा थर्डचा H लेफ्टला आहे म्हणून अपवर्डला लिहायचं H. हा फोर्थचा H इथं लिहिणार आहे मी. So the groups which are present on left hand side are written upwards. The groups which are present on the right hand side are denoted downwards. तर सेकंडला OH डाऊनवर्डला दाखवतो मी, OH, सेकंडचा OH डाऊनवर्डला, थर्डचा H डाऊनवर्डला, फोर्थचा OH डाऊनवर्डला, फिफ्थचा H डाऊनवर्डला दाखवला आहे आणि सिक्सचा हा 6 CH2OH. This is Haworth projection formula. याचं नाव असंच लिहायचं आहे, अल्फा D मायनस फ्रुक्टोफ्युरानोज. आता बीटा एनॉमर कसा डिनोट करायचा ते मी एक्सप्लेन करतो. हाऊ टू डिनोट बीटा एनॉमर. फर्स्ट यू ड्रॉ द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ फ्युरान. दिस इज फ्युरान. हियर इज 1 कार्बन, सेकंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ. लुक हियर. चेंज एवढंच करायचं आहे, हा OH टॉपला लिहायचा, हा CH2OH बॉटमला लिहायचा. ओनली चेंज इन द पोजिशन ॲट फर्स्ट अँड सेकंड कार्बन. ॲट CH2OH I represent downwards and OH upwards. The remaining thing as it is, OH, H, OH. Here this is number 1 carbon, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here is hydrogen here is CH2OH. The name of the compound is beta D minus fructofuranose. So this is about how are the projection formula of fructofuranose. Hemiketal is produced. What are acetals? What are ketals? You have studied in the topic aldehydes and ketones. The OH group from 5th carbon is added to this oxygen to get hemiketal. Hemiketal is produced. Intramolecular nucleophilic addition of OH takes place to this carbonyl group. This 5-membered ring structure is called furanose structure in analogy with furan. So this is about the cyclic structure of fructose. Let me check whether it is correct or not. I think the structure is correct. तर अशा पद्धतीने आपण ग्लुकोज आणि फ्रुक्टोज यांचे ओपन चेन स्ट्रक्चर, फिशर प्रोजेक्शनचे स्ट्रक्चर आणि हावर्थ प्रोजेक्शनचे स्ट्रक्चर्स आपण बघितलेले आहेत. हे पहा पॉईंट थोडासा समजायला कठीण आहे. लिहून काढा, वारंवार लिहून काढा. लिहून काढल्यानंतर तुमच्या लक्षात येईल जे ग्रुप लेफ्टला आहेत ते हावर्थ प्रोजेक्शन फॉर्म्युल्यामध्ये वरती लिहायचे आहेत आणि जे ग्रुप राईटला आहेत ते हावर्थ प्रोजेक्शनमध्ये बॉटमला लिहायचे आहेत. तर अशा रीतीनं आपण ग्लुकोज आणि फ्रुक्टोज यांच्या स्ट्रक्चरचा स्टडी आपण केलेला आहे. पुढच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये डायसॅकॅराइड म्हणजे सुक्रोज, माल्टोज आणि लॅक्टोज यांचा स्टडी आपण करणार आहे. व्हिडिओ शेवटपर्यंत बघितल्याबद्दल धन्यवाद. थँक्यू सो मच.